Hey friends, today we're making these adorable daisy shirt buttons. It's a total 5 minutes and done project. Let's get into it. Use a 3mm crochet hook. Thread the yarn through your back fingers over your index and pinch the end with your thumb and middle finger. Start by making 7 chain stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the first chain to lock it into a ring. Now for the petal, chain 2. Work 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2 again and slip stitch into the ring to finish it. Repeat for 4 more times. There will be 5 petals when we finish. Chain 1 after finishing the last petal to secure it. To make the duotone flower, use the first color to chain 7. Then work a slip stitch into the very first chain to create the center ring. Chain 1. Work 9 single crochets directly into the ring. And then slip stitch into the first crochet stitch to finish the round. Switch to another color. Chain 2. Make 3 treble crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2 again, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat for 5 times to make 5 petals. Chain 1 after finishing the last petal to secure the work, chop off and weave in the end.